Hello everyone, this is Jalia from AVING News Network. Today I'm here at Kiosk Self Service held in Las Vegas, Nevada with HP booth. Say who you are.
My name is Henry Sang and I'm with Hewlett-Packard's HP Labs.
So here I see very interesting technology for women. Let's hear about it.
Yes, we at HP Labs were working with a number of customers to try to understand some large problems they were having with color. And cosmetics people came to us and asked if we could help them with the color problem that women have in choosing the right color cosmetic. The problem that women typically have is the color on their skin needs to match with the cosmetic, but the color in the bottle is very hard to match that because when it dries on the skin, it dries a different color than it is in the bottle. So what we did was we used 3 different HP technologies to put together a system that would actually find the proper color of a woman's skin and then take the right measurements from that and run it through an expert system that's been trained with a cosmetic specialist to make a professional recommendation.
Sounds great. So can you do a demo for me?
Sure, I'd be happy to do that. The first thing we would do is when you walk up to the kiosk, you would touch it and it'll actually walk you through a series of instructions. Once you've read the instructions, you would actually start the demonstration. The demonstration then brings up a camera. There's a camera attached to this kiosk and there's lighting. Now in this show situation, we actually have very harsh lighting, so it's a little difficult. But then the woman would hold a card up. I'm going to just hold it to the side of your face like this. And I'm going to press the button. Now this will then, in about 5 seconds, take a picture of your face. So now when we take the picture, we can see that we will get the color chart in the picture along with your face. We go to the next screen where we take input from the user about whether they have oily skin, whether they would like to have a medium or perhaps a sheer coverage on it. Do you want a cream? Or do you want to have a matte versus a natural finish? And also, it's very important that you choose whether you want to have a sunblocker in because it's very important for skin health. Once you select next, then it actually goes to the expert system, takes the information from this image, color corrects it, runs it through, and then it matches you with the database and says you should be using, in this particular brand, their W3. And you can even see that we show where to find the information on the package because sometimes it's very hard to find where the proper things. Now, in addition to this, if you want a darker result, it tells you this is you should use W4. If you want a lighter one, it's W2. And that's going to be very confusing because sometimes they will use numbers, sometimes they will use names. So what's an almond, what's a beige, what's this? In addition, you can also print out the materials that will come out onto the printer from the kiosk, and you can take that information with you. As you can see, in this information, they have the product that you chose, so you can take to the shelf and find it. Also, other types of things that you might want to get, such as a brush. And on the second page, it even has information on how to properly apply this particular makeup. So in doing this, we believe that we made it much easier for a woman to actually get the right makeup experience and release frustrations, which allows her then to go off and shop and buy other things.
That's wonderful. So how far is this process going on? Like how soon can the customer meet the technology?
We announced this technology last July and we went around to talk to a variety of different brands. So we've talked to most of the major brands and they've actually validated that this technology works. We decided though that probably the best way to go was through the retail system approach, and that's why we had this kiosk built and are showing it here at the show. So we are talking with retailers today about the technology and we're trying to determine the exact business model we want to do, but hopefully we'll see something out in the next year.
Hey, so I'm looking forward to seeing this machine soon in the shop. Thank you.
Thank you.